Oh, the sun finally came out. Oh, this feels so good. Vitamin D, we needed this. Oh. Welcome to winter in Vancouver. We found a quiet beach spot. And it's the perfect spot for a hot drink. I'm also back on the matcha. While Dee sets up, I'm gonna head out and try my new selfie stick. Today I'm out testing this $20 gadget selfie tripod, and I love it. Look at this range. This is so exciting. It's so nice not to have it up so close to my face, but this is great. I like this. Next up, I'm turning the selfie stick into a tripod, and this is a feature and one of the reasons I purchased this off of Amazon, and I'm happy to report it's sturdy and easy to use. I'm happy. I really like this gadget. Enough about the selfie stick. I think it's time to head back to the van because it looks like the mobile cafe is set up and ready to go. Look at that! Wow! Gorgeous! Dee, you did a great job. Wow. Dee did such a good job. This is so cozy. I'm gonna link the video if you want to see the full setup. He did a beautiful job, so you can kind of see the whole thing from start to finish, and I'll link the video here. Now it's time to enjoy. So glad we made it out here. This was exactly what we needed.